Today we will discuss a very important topic, which is radial and transverse acceleration. So acceleration বোঝার আগে আমাদের পজিশন ভেক্টর সম্পর্কে আগে একটা ভালো আইডিয়া রাখতে হবে যে কীভাবে পজিশন ভেক্টর থেকে আমরা ভেলোসিটি ভেক্টর আনতে পারি, অ্যান্ড দেন ভেলোসিটি ভেক্টর থেকে কী করতে পারি, আমরা অ্যাক্সেলারেশন আনতে পারি। ঠিক আছে, সো প্রথমে আমরা কী করব, পজিশন ভেক্টর বের করব, দেন পজিশন টু আমরা ভেলোসিটি বের করব, দেন আফটার দ্যাট উইল move to the acceleration. Okay, so this is a very important topic in physics. So let's draw a Cartesian diagram like this, where this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now let's take a point on the Cartesian axis. Let's say P is a point and its coordinate is x comma y. Okay, so how do you get this coordinate? So along x-axis this distance is x, and along y-axis this distance is what, y. ঠিক আছে, সো এটা হচ্ছে along x-axis আর এটা হচ্ছে along y-axis। তারপর আমরা যদি এখানে এটাকে ও দেখি, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে ও টু পি এটা একটা ভেক্টরকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করে। ঠিক আছে, যে ভেক্টরের ম্যাগনিটিউড কী হবে, আর ইকুয়াল টু রুট ওভার অফ ইউজিং পিথাগোরাস থিওরাম এক্স স্কোয়ার প্লাস ওয়াই স্কোয়ার। ঠিক আছে, এখন আমরা যদি এটাকে ভেক্টরে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করি তাহলে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি, we can write OP vector is equal to x I cap plus y j cap. ঠিক আছে, OP vector equal to x I cap plus y j cap, and this is the position vector of point P. Okay, this is the position vector R vector. ঠিক আছে, দেন পজিশন ভেক্টরকে আমরা যদি ডেরিভেটিভ করি তাহলে আমরা কি পাই, ভেলোসিটি ভেক্টর পাই। সো উইল dr dt is equal to what, dx dt I cap plus dy dt j cap. ঠিক আছে, so dr dt is called velocity, so it is v vector. V vector is dx dt I cap plus dy dt j cap. Similarly, if you take second derivative of position vector, then we will have d2r dt2 equal to d2x dt2 I cap plus d2y dt2 j cap, and this will give us acceleration vector a vector. So this is the velocity and acceleration in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, now we will move from Cartesian to polar coordinate. So let's see what happened in polar coordinate. In case of polar coordinate, will have two axes. One is r and the other is theta, radial and transverse axis. Okay, now let's see here. This is r. Okay, this is what, this is r, and let's say this r makes an angle theta with the x-axis. This r making an angle theta with x-axis. Okay, so now the unit vector along radial direction. Okay, if we try to find out the unit vector along radial direction, so it will be like that. Suppose this is r cap and its x component is this one and y component is this one. Okay, so it will be, as it is theta, so it is also be theta. Now this will be cos theta and this will be what? Sin theta. So we can write r cap equal to cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Clear? Now theta cap. Always remember that theta cap is always perpendicular to r cap because it always acts tangentially, okay? Tangential component. So it is theta cap. So if it is theta, then it will be also theta. Now take this component. So if you consider for theta cap this one and this one, so it will be what? Cos theta, and this will be minus sin theta because negative direction. So you can write theta cap equal to minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap. So this is a very important formula, r cap and theta cap. R cap is the unit vector along radial direction and theta cap is the unit vector along theta. Okay. Now we know that velocity is what? Velocity is dr vector dt. Velocity is dr vector dt. Our main aim is to find out the acceleration. Okay. So first of all we need to find out velocity, and thereafter from velocity we will move to acceleration. Now if we take derivative of this term, so we can write ddt of r vector. Now what is r vector? R vector equal to r cap. R vector equal to r into r cap. So you can write ddt of r cap. So take derivative, it will be r cap dr dt plus r dr cap dt. That is r cap. It is r dot plus r dr cap dt. Okay. So we are not familiar with this term dr cap dt. So we have to find out dr cap dt using this unit vector. So let's do this. Let's see, r cap equal to what? Cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. So we need dr dt. Okay, so let's take dr cap dt. It is minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap. Thereafter d theta dt. D theta dt. That is theta dot. Okay, so it is minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap into theta dot. Theta dot. So now you can compare that this term is this one. Okay, this term is theta cap. So you can write it like that: theta cap, theta dot, theta cap, theta dot. So we can put this value on this equation. So we can write we can write what dr vector dt is equal to r dot rk plus r theta dot theta k. Okay, this is r dot rk plus r theta dot theta k. So this is the velocity. Now let's talk about what is the significance of these terms. What is the significance of these terms? What does this equation means? Okay, so let's find out. Suppose এটা একটা horizontal surface, okay, and suppose এখানে একটা রাডার রাখা আছে, রাডার, ওকে, যে রাডারটা কি করে, it can find out enemy aeroplanes, enemy jets, etc. So let's a jet is or a firefighter is moving like that in this direction, and this is the radar. Okay, so suppose at any instant the radar the fighter jet is at this position, and after some time it moves to this position. Okay, suppose this is position A, this is position B. Now if we join this like that, not like that, we join it like that. Okay, suppose this angle is theta, and after some time the direction is the angle becomes d theta. Okay, and suppose this radius is r1 and this is r2. You can easily see that r1 and r2, they are not same. r1 not equal to r2. Okay, you can measure that r1 is not r2. Now r2 is greater than r1. r2 is greater than r1. That is, its position is increasing. So increasing position means, it automatically means that velocity increases. Okay, so at this point B, what is the velocity of the fighter jet? Okay, we have to find out at this point B what is the velocity and its direction at point B. So using this equation, we know that r cap is radially along the r axis, that is this one. So this is r cap. Okay, and theta cap is perpendicular to r cap. So this is theta cap, this is theta cap. So along r cap, its velocity is r dot. Okay, so along this axis it is r dot r cap, and along this axis it is r theta dot theta cap. Okay, so this is the meaning of this term. So what is drdt? Drdt is along this direction. This is the drdt. So drdt is equal to r dot r cap plus r theta dot theta cap. I hope you can understand it. Let's move to the acceleration part. So from this equation we can find out the velocity of any particle at any instant. So velocity v vector equal to what? R dot r cap plus r theta dot and theta cap. This is the velocity vector. Now we have to this is velocity. Then how do you find acceleration? So you have to take derivative of dv dt. It will give us acceleration. Simple. So let's do this. Now there is two part. So we take ddt of r dot r cap plus ddt of r theta dot theta cap, and this is a very lengthy calculation. So first of all, r dot is fixed, then dr cap dt plus r cap is fixed, then dr dot dt. First part is complete. Then let's move to the second part. Plus, let's take r theta at outside. So r theta dot d theta cap dt plus theta cap d dt of what? R theta dot. So this is r dot and this is dr cap dt. So dr cap dt is what? Theta dot theta cap, theta dot theta cap. So we can write theta dot theta cap plus r cap. So r dot, its derivative will be r double dot. Okay. Now plus r theta dot. Now this is d theta cap dt. So we have to find out d theta cap dt using this one. Using theta cap, we have to find out d theta cap dt. So let's do this. So this is theta cap. So if we take derivative of d theta cap dt, because we need this one, that's why we are doing this derivative. So it will be minus cos theta I cap minus sin theta j cap into d theta dt, that is minus cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. This is theta dot. Now r cap was what? R cap was cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. So we can easily say that minus r cap, this one is r cap theta dot. Okay, so we can write minus r cap theta dot in place of d theta cap dt. So it is minus r cap theta dot. Now remaining part theta cap. Now take r outside, it will be d theta dot dt, then again theta cap theta dot dr dt. Okay, so this is r dot theta cap plus r cap r double dot. It will be what? It will be minus r theta dot square r cap, then it will be plus theta cap r theta double dot this one, plus this one will be what, theta cap theta dot r dot. Okay, so now we have to arrange this whole term. Okay, one will be with respect to r cap and the other will be with respect to theta. So for r cap, there is r double dot and here minus r theta dot square. So r double dot minus r theta dot square. Then for this one, see this term and this term both are same, so here we will get 2r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot plus 2r dot theta dot theta k. Because r dot theta k and plus r dot theta k, it will give 2r dot theta k. Okay, so this term is our radial acceleration and this term is transverse acceleration. So this is the whole equation for acceleration. Now let's understand the significance of this term. Okay, for that we have to consider again the example, like suppose this is the horizontal surface and here is a radar and a fighter jet is moving like this. Okay, so at a particular time the position of the jet is here and after some time its position will be B. So if I join this to 1, this is R1 and this is R2. You can easily see that R1 and R2 not same. Okay, now we have to identify the terms of radial and transverse acceleration. Okay, so at this point B, you can see that this is my radial axis and along the tangent it is transverse. Okay, so acceleration Fr, where Fr is what, Fr equal to r double dot minus r theta dot square. Okay, so r double dot, what is r double dot? r double dot কি মিন করে? r double dot মিন করে যে আমাদের যে রেডিয়াল ভেলোসিটি যে কি পরিমাণ ইনক্রিজ হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে, রেডিয়াল ভেলোসিটি কি পরিমাণ ইনক্রিজ হচ্ছে, দ্যাট ইজ এটা এখান থেকে R1 R2, ঠিক আছে, এরকম ভাবে কত মানে কত রেটে এটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে। তো এটা আমার কি r double dot, so this is acceleration due to radial increase of velocity. Okay, now what does this term mean? This is a term which, see, this is negative. Okay, if this part is positive and it will be negative. Okay, so this term is r theta dot square. It is the centripetal force. Okay, sorry, centripetal acceleration. Okay, centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration. Okay, when it is moving in a curve path, then there is some centripetal acceleration toward the center. okay, towards the center. So its component is r double dot, and here it is minus r theta dot square. Okay, so this is Fi. This is Fi. Okay. Now let's talk about f theta. It is transverse acceleration. So here f theta equal to r theta double dot plus 2r dot theta dot. Okay, r theta double dot plus 2r dot theta dot. See, r theta double dot, it is along this direction, r theta double dot. Okay, and here is plus 2r dot theta. There is 2r dot theta dot. It is also in this direction. Okay, this direction. So r theta double dot means what? R theta double dot means it is acceleration. Okay, that is, we can say that when the particle is moving in a circular or curved path, then there is some acceleration towards the tangential direction. That is, if this is velocity v, then its acceleration will be along a tangential direction. So this is acceleration along tangential direction. Along tangential direction, its acceleration is what? Suppose it is moving like this, increasing with increasing velocity. So its velocity will be increasing v2, v3. Okay, where v3 greater than v2 greater than v1. Okay, its velocity, that is tangential acceleration is increasing. Okay, velocity increasing is acceleration. Now here is the term 2r dot theta. What does this term mean? We have to understand what is 2r dot theta dot. So here 2r dot theta dot is the Coriolis acceleration. Coriolis acceleration. So what is Coriolis acceleration? Okay. So let's take an example. With a practical example, you will understand what is the Coriolis acceleration is. So let's say this is a platform, okay, and we have a object like this. If this platform is fixed, then যদি আমরা এটাকে এইভাবে যদি সরাই, তাহলে কি মনে হচ্ছে যে অবজেক্টটা সোজা যাচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, সোজা। যদি প্ল্যাটফর্মটা ফিক্সড থাকে, দেন আমরা বলতে পারি কি যে অবজেক্টটা সোজা যাচ্ছে, সোজা। ইট ইজ মুভিং অ্যালং এ স্ট্রেট লাইন। ওকে, কিন্তু এখন যদি আমরা এই প্ল্যাটফর্মটাকে যদি একটু ঘোরাই, তাহলে কী হয় একটু দেখি। ওকে, একসে কী হয়, তোমরা সবাই এই প্ল্যাটফর্মটার দিকে তাকাবে। ঠিক আছে, ওটার রেসপেক্টে কী হয় এটা আমরা দেখব। লেটস সে প্ল্যাটফর্মটা মুভ করছে, তো তোমার কি মনে হচ্ছে? আবার দেখো, সাপোজ প্ল্যাটফর্মটা এই বরাবর মুভ করছে আর আমার পেনটা সোজা যাচ্ছে। যদি প্ল্যাটফর্মটার দিকে তাকাও তাহলে কি মনে হয়? দেখো, ঠিক আছে, এরকম মনে হচ্ছে কি যে এটা আমার পেনটা এইরকমভাবে মুভ করছে এরকম দিস ডিরেকশন। দ্যাট ইজ, ধরো যদি এটা প্ল্যাটফর্ম হয়, যদি প্ল্যাটফর্মটা এইভাবে যদি রোটেট করে, তাহলে কি মনে হচ্ছে যে আমার পেনটা এইভাবে চলে যাচ্ছে লেফট সাইড। ঠিক আছে, সিমিলারলি আমি যদি এটাকে এইভাবে ঘুরাই, তাহলে মনে হবে কি এটা ওই সাইডে চলে যাচ্ছে, রাইট সাইড। দিস ইজ Coriolis acceleration. Okay, this is Coriolis acceleration, which is 2r dot theta dot. So this is the k cap equal to fr r cap plus f theta theta cap. This is the radial and transverse acceleration. I hope all of you can understand my uh, today's topic. If you have any doubt, then please let me know what is your doubt. So thank you.